You'll be surprised. What is this?
If it's a rice cooker, I'm gonna... I don't know.
We have a rice cooker.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna bring a rice cooker anymore. Hi, sweetie. I'm gonna open my luggage. I couldn't open it yesterday because I was too tired. So this is what I got from Sweden. The luggage I have. Let me put this down first. You know, it's 22 kilos of... You can talk. You need to talk, by the way. Don't just sit there and say nothing because this video is for you.
I'm just sitting and enjoying the view.
Come a little closer.
Then you're out of frame.
Come here. So this is what I got from Sweden. Oh my god. Wait. Oh shit. Open. So I have this. I bought this.
Nail polish.
Nail
Hello
polish.
Kitty nail polish.
OPI.
Hello Kitty.
Yeah, it's a Hello Kitty thing.
Jesus Christ.
And I got my camera, by the way. I finally...
And it's in 1,000 pieces.
Oh no, I hope not. My camera, it's my Nikon camera, which I bought some years ago.
Yeah.
Like, I think it's 8 years ago. I don't know if it's still working, but I don't think it's working yet.
It's old.
No, fine. Yeah, maybe I need to change the settings in this. And this out. My thing in the
What's that?
there.
Oh, it's
What do you call this in English?
neck hider.
And I got this as a present.
A mortal?
Yeah. When I left Sweden, they gave me a lot of presents. So they gave me a mortal. It's like,
What are you gonna use that for?
I don't know, they gave me, it's like something you have to have in a new house because...
Have you
It's
seen the
something-
size of our apartment? We can't afford to have just shit we're not gonna use.
Well, this can be used. She said like, this is good for spices and everything. You know? See? I can use this for something.
You just want something to hit me with.
It's not that, oh my god, it's heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy. It's a stone bowl.
Ow. But it's nice to have because I can do grinding stuff with this. It's like to have a spice in your life, you need it for a new home.
I have plenty of spice with you, Spoon.
Very good. Nice quality. I got this.
Got the boot.
I get a boot for Christmas.
What's that?
This is a steamer.
A steamer.
Yeah? It's actually a steamer.
For what? So you can make dumplings?
I can make dumplings, I can make siopao, I can make steamed dumplings I can make. And siomai I can make, bread or fish. If I can make fish with this, like clean the fish or meat. So I 3 layers of this. I bought this one.
I have no idea where you're gonna have it.
I'm gonna have it somewhere. I can fix some place and more of this thing for winter.
When I get home Thursday, I'm not gonna be able to find anything, am I?
I think I can fix everything. So everything fits in your apartment.
Okay. Our apartment.
Okay, our apartment. More. You'll be surprised. What is this?
If it's a rice cooker, I'm gonna. I don't know.
We have a rice cooker.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna bring a rice cooker anymore. This is. I think you're gonna love this.
Is it a cubby? What is that?
This is an air fryer.
An air fryer.
Yeah.
Ooh. I've always wondered.
See? You can fry anything without oil or something like fries
I also heard that they're good for making sweet potatoes.
and sweet potatoes.
Mm.
So you can fry it. Air
Yeah.
fryer.
Again, I don't know where you want to put it, but
Somewhere I can put it. I can fix anything in this apartment. Okay. Okay. I didn't bring a lot of stuff. This is just small stuff.
okay. Yeah, sure. That looks like small stuff.
Not much. Look, I didn't have much in my luggage, and this is my sweater for winter. And I bought some insect bites because your sister wants.
The poison stuff from Sweden.
Mosquito. So I bought some for your sister and for Lucas and for Daniel. And I got this present from my friend, May. He just said like, not gonna be here on your birthday, so I'm gonna give you a birthday present.
Ooh, shiny. It's an owl?
Yeah.
Mm.
Let's go.
Get us to that.
Ooh. Nice. More. Oh. Some more from the steamer.
More shit.
And I got this.
Bloodsaft. That sounds ominous.
This is a vitamin, I think. And it is for winter.
Are you low on vitamins?
Yeah, I think I am low in vitamins. Well, not iron. Yeah, iron. So I bought this just in case for the winter. It's good for when you get tired and exhausting. Oh, I got this by the way from Norrbotten.
What is that?
This is dried moose meat.
Damn.
This is a moose.
Damn. Looks dry.
Yeah, very dry. And I have a dried reindeer.
Mmm. You killed all Santa's animals.
Yes, I saw one and I wanted to kill it, but it was too far away and I don't have a gun. So I bought the meat and I got some more for my friends. They pack it very nice. And they really asked for them to pack it, but we did it.
You need a knife?
Yeah. Ow. Oh, I have it. I have it. This is a very nice one. Oh no.
What is that?
This is a chili oil, a homemade chili oil.
Sounds like something you can find in a witch's house.
This is really yummy chili oil.
Yeah, when you say yummy chili, I'm thinking, damn, it's gonna burn me.
Yeah, it's gonna burn. And some more shit from Momsy. This is from Momsy. She gave me a bag. Shopping bag.
Which you're, of course, not gonna have to use because we don't have money for shopping.
Yeah, I can shop tomorrow. By the way, you're free tomorrow, so I can shop anytime. A lot of it, I'm gonna shop some dress and whatever.
Yeah, I'm sure the buses drive all day.
You have a car! You can drive it to the city! Motherfucker. And this is my trees. So, that's something special. And I got a gift again!
More gifts. More shit.
Yeah, wow! You don't like my stuff? This is how you want to end up with a girl. A lot of stuff. I gotta give. I gotta give.
A bag.
Bag. I got this as a present. Okay, that's all I think.
Okay. Say hi.